In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Substack. If you follow writers on Substack or you're exploring new publications, checking the comments is a great way to see conversation, feedback, and extra context from the community. I'll walk you through the simplest way to get there and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect as you browse. First, open your preferred web browser and go to substack.com. Typing the address directly into the URL bar takes you to Substack's main site, where you can discover publications or access your personalized feed. Depending on your setup, you might already be signed in. If not, that's fine, you can still view many posts publicly. The important thing is that you're on the Substack homepage, so you have a central place to start. Next, click Home. You'll usually find Home in the top navigation. This page organizes recent posts from publications you read or recommend, and it's the quickest way to find something specific to open. If you came in through a direct link or a different page, using Home helps reorient you back to your feed so you can browse with a clear overview. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you follow a lot of newsletters. Now, select a post you're interested in and click the comment icon. Choose any post in your home feed that you want to explore. Once the post opens, look for the comment icon, typically a small speech bubble, often paired with a number showing how many comments there are. Clicking that icon jumps you directly to the comment section or opens it in place, depending on the publication's layout. From here, you can read top-level comments and in many cases see threaded replies for deeper discussion. A few quick notes to make your experience smoother. If you don't see the comment icon, the author may have disabled comments for that post, or comments might be limited to subscribers. Also, it can take a moment for longer threads to appear, so give the page time to finish loading. On mobile devices, the icon may sit near the top or bottom of the screen, but it works the same way. Tap it to reveal the discussion. If the comment count shows 0, that simply means no one has commented yet. That's all it takes. Go to substack.com, click Home, then open a post and use the comment icon to view the conversation. Once you're done, use your browser's back button or the home link to return to your feed and check out more posts.